Hello students, this is my second video for lesson number 1, the globe, a model of the earth. Let's start reading. The large land masses on the earth are called continents. The 7 continents of our earth are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Large land masses means big piles of soil. मिट्टी के बड़े बड़े ढेर where we are living. The land area where we and all living beings are living. Means these land areas are called continents. They are 7 in number and here are the names of these continents. The globe shows us the shapes and the locations of the continents, oceans and seas on the earth. It also helps us to understand the earth's movement on its axis and around the sun. The globe shows us, globe हमें बताता है कि कॉन्टिनेंट्स, ओशंस और सीज की क्या शेप है, क्या इसकी फिगर है, इनकी फिजिकल फिगर कैसी है, एंड द लोकेशंस और वेयर दे आर लोकेटेड और वेयर दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ, कि वो धरती पर, अर्थ पर कहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं, ये हमें पता चलता है ग्लोब से. एंड another thing is movement of axis. Movement, here are 2 types of movement. For better understanding, here is an example for you. This is the first movement of the earth. Earth's movement on its axis. Earth is moving on its axis, and the second movement is earth is moving around the sun. ऐसे. Now we will read the third paragraph. We can see only half of the globe at a time. To see the other half, we have to turn it around. It can be turned around on a line passing through it. This line is called the axis. The 2 ends of the axis are called the poles. The North Pole is situated at the top of the globe and the South Pole is situated at the bottom of the globe. Let's see. Look at this specimen. We are watching only half of the globe like this. If we want to the other half, we have to turn it around. हमें जो ग्लोब है इसको घुमाना पड़ेगा. उसे घुमाने के लिए हमें क्या जरूरत है? एक्सिस की. एक्सिस मीन्स a line passing through it. For example, this is matchstick. This is an imaginary line. This is axis. And axis is helpful in moving the earth, and here are 2 ends of this axis. This is the top and this is the bottom. The top of the axis is called North Pole and bottom pole of the globe is called the South Pole. Understand, students? In between the poles there is an imaginary circle called the equator, which is 0 degree. The equator divides the earth into 2 equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Hemi means half. The northern part of the equator is called the northern hemisphere and the southern part of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. In between the poles, here are the poles. Look at the picture. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. So in between the poles, here is a line, a circle. This is called equator. This is a yellow line that is present on your book. Its location is 0 degree. And this is in the middle of the globe. So it divides the earth or globe into 2 equal halves. ये जो लाइन है, जो सर्कल है, अर्थ को 2 हिस्सों में बांटता है, 2 अर्धगोलों में बांटता है. ऊपर वाले अर्धगोले को, टॉप वाले अर्धगोले को हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. एंड नीचे वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. नाउ रीड पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. If you look at the globe, you will see many lines running parallel to the equator. They are full circles. They run from east to west. They are numbered from the equator, which starts at 0 degree. The poles are 90 degree each. The north pole is marked as 90 degree N and the south pole as 90 degree S. They never meet one another as they are parallels. These lines are called the lines of latitudes or the parallels of latitudes. If you look at the globe, अगर हम ग्लोब पर देखते हैं, we will see many lines parallel to the equator. जो इक्वेटर है उसके साथ बहुत सी लाइनें जो उसके पैरेलल जो ड्रॉ की गई हैं, इन लाइंस को क्या बोलते हैं? पैरेलल्स. They are numbered from the equator to the both poles. ठीक है. The north pole is marked as 90 degree N and the south pole is marked as 90 degree S. And these poles never meet each other as they are, क्योंकि ये parallel lines है. जो parallel lines होती हैं वो कभी भी आपस में मिलती नहीं है. ठीक है. और these all lines are the lines those are running with the equator. These are called latitudes or parallels of latitudes. These are horizontal lines.